everyone, Adam here. Thank you for joining me for another recipe video. And today we're going to be making sweet and sour crispy tofu. It once upon a time was crispy chicken, but it's not anymore and I feel really good about that. So what I love about this dish is it's just as good, if not better, than a takeaway. And it's probably a lot healthier too. So let's get started. So when I first started doing plant-based recipes, I was quite intimidated by what tofu was and also how to actually cook with tofu. So I just take some kitchen roll and then just turn it out on itself and let the kitchen roll just absorb as much of the moisture as possible and just let it soak. I mean, ideally I'd let this be done for longer. I'm going to put this in corn flour and that'll create that more crispy texture to it. Before I do that though, I'm going to season it well, because on its own it doesn't really have much flavour whatsoever, so you want to add enough seasoning, and it's best to do it before you add the coating of the corn flour. It won't take too long for the tofu pieces to crisp, but the important thing is to just keep turning them regularly. So these are some of the vegetables that we're going to be using. So now that the vegetables have softened, I'm just going to return the crispy tofu to the pan. And then we're going to add the sauce. So this is the final dish, sweet and sour tofu. Looks just like what you'd get from a takeaway, but it's all completely homemade. And I'm just gonna try a little bit now. Really good sauce. It's got that sweetness to it. It's got that tanginess as well. So yeah, really crunchy, really lovely dish. I'm gonna go now sit and enjoy this. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you do want to make this, please do. The recipe will be in the description box below. Tag me in it on Instagram if you do make it. I'd love to see how yours turned out. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more recipe videos as well. And I will see you all very soon. Today we're going to be making sweet and sour crispy tofu. The recipe once upon a time was... I can see you! What are you doing? Come in then.